I am stuck, guys. The main issue?
All right. Lights, then nothing, just nothing. Black screen. The cause maybe RAM chips might be out. Just blinking, and the fan sound is up. Nothing. Black screen. Just nothing. Everything is on a standstill. RAM slots are in there. Two RAM pieces, 4 GB each. 4 GB per stick. Still, the laptop can't read from them. Issue number three, I've tried doing further checks, but the main challenge, the screw type is the boxed one. Only screwdriver I have is a flat piece. Unfortunately, I have my other screws at my other places. So I am officially stuck.